Hi guys, very good evening. Welcome to SV Market Vlogs. Today we are gonna discuss December 3rd week weekly analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Firstly, in the Nifty 50, market opened flatly at 24,750 level. Here the opening is 24,750. This week's high is 24,780. 24,780 weeks high. In the last 2 weeks, the market reached a high of 24,857 and 24,798, 24,792. So with this, what we have expected, this 24,800 above, whenever the market closing above 24,800, we will be shifting our view in the positive direction, because in this 2 consecutive weeks, final the closing lies below 24,800. In the same way, this week also market reached a high of just 24,780 and had a stronger rejection. From here it corrected till this week's low is 23,537. 23,537. The total range for this week is from high and lows, we can say it around 1240 points. The total range is 1240 points and the opening 24,750, and finally the market closed at 23,587. When we are seeing this body wise candle, this body range itself has the range of more than 1150 points. Comparing this with opening level, the market almost corrected more than 4%. From the opening, it corrected more than 4% and closed at the edge of 23,500. So with this, what we can expect in the coming week, if market tries to consolidate at 23,500 level, we will be aiming this 500 points range, or else in the recent weeks, in the November 3rd week, we have seen a low of 23,263. It will be the next support. If 23,500 breaks in the lowest set, this level can be reached, 23,260. So because in the recent times, when we seeing these data points, we can see only this point as a low, 23,260. So after this level, we can see this 23,000 round off figure. That's it. We have the two cases. If market stabilizes about 23,500, then we can expect the market from 23,500 to 24,000 level, or else if the candle is closing below, if the diverse candle is closing below 23,500, then we can expect this 500 points range, a plus or minus 500 points range we are expecting for this coming week. Once we will have a look Nifty in day-wise candles. So in the day-wise candle, in the last week, the market much consolidated from 9 to 13. These 5 days, so market tried to stay in 300 points range itself. And this week, in the first day, the market respected the last week's range. But in the second week, whenever the market closed below 24,500, already we have drawn some important levels at 24,500. If this level is broken, we are expecting the market is consolidating at 24,200 level. But this 24,000 and 24,200, this 200 points range market didn't cover. So because when the market opened on Friday, so it's totally jumped downside. It had a deep fall, corrected below 24,000 level. After the Wednesday closing, we are expected the market should stay here, this 200 points zone. But already the market opened below 24,000 level, so then this became a stronger resistance level. So 2 days market tried to touch the level of 24,000 level, and from here in the last day of this week, market corrected near to the 23,500. Very huge fall, completely bearish momentum we can see. Every day market is forming lower lows and lower highs, and finally closed very deep low, 23,587. So what we have expected in that weekly wise candle. The same thing we can declare here also. This 23,500 level will be the main parameter. If this level corrects, then market can be corrected till 23,000 level. This is the first case we are expecting because market in the negative scenario. So this will be the 500 points range for coming week. So if market tries to recover from 23,500 level, then we are expecting from 23,500 to 24,000 level. This will be the first initial range. Case 2. These are the two cases we are expecting for Nifty 50. Now let us discuss about Bank Nifty. In the Bank Nifty, we can see very huge fall. Market opened at 53,500 level. 53,500. Actually, we are expecting this 53,750 to 53,350. This as a consolidation zone. If the market close above this level or below this level, at that time only we can change the range for Bank Nifty. Here the market opened in between this range 53,500 and reached exactly the high of 53,740 around. 53,740. So this week's low is 50,609. 50,609. We can take as 50,600. This week's low, and final the market closed at 50,760 around. 50,760. So from high and low, the total range is 3,100 points. From higher side, more than 3,000 points, the market has been corrected, and from opening and closing, when we check with the opening and closing, here itself we can see 2,740 points around. In the recent times, this much fall we have not seen anyway in Bank Nifty. It's been very far away. This much range has been created. So this is the very huge fall. So with this closing, what we can expect? Already 51,000 level also it has been broken. So after this lower side we have a expected level as 49,655. This will be the next support. This is the stronger support. So we have some weaker supports also. It can be at 50,000 round of figure. At the 50,000 round of mark also market can be consolidated. But after forming this huge candle, we are expecting some good range. So 51,000 to 49,650 around. So it will be 1350 points around. So with this closing, I am expecting at least 1,000 to 1,500 points range. Let's see recent time when the Bank Nifty has been taken support at lower side. So in the November 2nd, 3rd week, we can see the market reached a low of 49,785. We are expected a support at 49,655 around, but this level has been touched in the August first 2 weeks. Later then market didn't reach this low. So we can take this and this as a support zone from 49,655 to 50,000. This will be acting as support zone. If the market tries to come lower side, so it will be pushing upwards. If this support zone strength is lost, then the market can be corrected lower side, and then we can expect some correction in Bank Nifty furthermore 3-4%. So we can see some consolidation zone at 49,650 to 47,000 around. At least 2 months the market stayed in between this range. I think in the case of Bank Nifty, we don't require to analyze with day-wise candles. So we will be estimating the same range. 51,000 will be the resistance initially, and lower side 49,650 around. So this will be the support zone. So already we have seen that 49,650 to 50,000. This range can be acted as support zone. If this level also corrects and closes below downwards, then we can expect the Bank Nifty to consolidate at lower levels. So that's our view with Bank Nifty. Let's see how the market behaves in this last week of December. So that's all guys, that's all for today. Again we will be meeting on next Saturday for next week analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel SV Market Vlogs.